So here we are, 722 Mayfair Street. Rental property, they're putting it together. Don't look half bad. I did a good job in the kitchen. Let's see what we got down the basement here, because we got to find the garage door. Oh. It does look good. Just about ready. I guess this is for my garage door, because I can see the garage door opener button there. And there's our garage door. Do we have any lights in here? Oh, let's see. Any switches out there? Let's see. Let's release it. Whoa. Well, you can see why he wants a new garage door. He's got an opener connected to it. Sensors are connected up there. Doesn't go up. Let's find out. Look for part 2.